Today we look at solving linear logarithms and look at this logarithm equation. So we have to break it down using the properties of logarithm. So this is of the former log a minus log b, and from the properties of logarithm, this is the same as log a on b. Only if the bases are the same. So in this case, we'll have the bases to be the same, 3 and 3, so it can work. So this can then be log of log to the base 3 of 6x minus 1 divided by this x on 5 to be equal to 3, and which is equivalent to, can break this as log to the base 3, can take this as 6x minus 1. So this is division sign. We can change it to multiplication, then we reverse what is at the denominator with times, reverse it, 5 on x equal to 3. So this is equivalent to log to the base 3 of 5 times 6x minus 1. Write the x on x equal to 3. So and we also from here we also know from this property of logarithm that if log a base b is equal to c, then a is equal to b raised to the power c. You can keep this in mind. So from here, in this case, this is our a, and this is like our b, and this is our c. So this is equivalent to 5 into 6x minus 1 on x to be equal to b. This is our b, 3 raised to the power this 3. And now this is equivalent to 5 into 6x minus 1 on x to be equal to 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. From here we can cross multiply because this is the same like on 1. Get then cross multiply like this. We'll get 5 into 6x minus 1 to be equals to 27 times x, which is 27x. And this is equivalent to, we can multiply the bracket here, we'll get 30x minus 5 to be equal to 27x. So we want to, since we're finding x that satisfy this, so this is the same as, from here we can send 27x this way, can get 30x minus 5 minus 27x to be equal to 0. From here we get 30x minus 27x, which is 3x minus 5 to be equal to 0. Can send 5 that way, can get 3x to be equal to 5. So we divide all through by 3. This goes with this. This implies that our x is equals to 5 on 3. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.